In this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube trailers. Are they important? Is it something that you should really be using? Or can you just put up any old video in that spot on your YouTube channel? I'd like to point out that a YouTube trailer video is one of the core things that you really need to optimize your YouTube channel. You might be thinking, well, why? People are just seeing my videos when they're searching, right? Well, yeah, they are. And you may be found in search at the beginning, but if you've done a good job by having good titles and thumbnails, and people have actually clicked on your video content and they've enjoyed the video content that you've created for them, then there's a fair chance that they're going to want to know a little bit more about you and what it is that you can do for them, and if that you have any other types of videos that may be of benefit to them. And it's at that point where they click on the name of your YouTube channel, which is sitting underneath your video. They'll click on that and then they'll land on your YouTube channel. Now, there's many things that you can do to optimize your YouTube channel to give your viewer the ultimate viewing experience. The YouTube trailer is one of the key things that you can use to enable your viewers to have a much greater experience with you. And I guess it's the start of a relationship. If you are going to go on a date, then you're going to put in a little bit of effort for that first date so that you can get a second date and a third date. Your YouTube trailer is kind of like your first date. Like, people may have bumped into you and met you somewhere else, but now this is the chance where you get to share a little bit of your story, tell them a little bit more about you and why it's a good idea for them to get to know you a little bit better, maybe see you a few times and go on a few dates, i.e. watch a few more of your videos. It's a great opportunity for you to start that relationship on the right foot. If you have any kind of video just sitting up there, then people are going to get a little bit confused about what your channel is all about. What are you all about? Here is a few things that you should be including in your YouTube trailer video. The first thing is that you want to make sure that you're going to introduce who you are. Okay, so it's great to assume that people know who you are, but chances are they don't. And maybe in that very first video, they kind of skimmed over that part, weren't really paying attention. They're trying to get to the value of the video content. So this is your opportunity to introduce who it is that you are. But at the same time, you need to establish some level of credibility. Why should people watch your videos in the first place? So why are you somebody that they should be listening to? Give them a reason why they should be watching. If you've grown a business from 6 figures to 7 figures, and let people know that. What are your highlights, some of your wins that people would want to know about? What is the benefit of the content that you're going to be providing them? You're going to be teaching them how to do X, Y, Z. Another thing that you should probably be including is how often you're going to be posting. Are you going to be posting weekly? Is there a particular day that you're going to be publishing those videos so that they know when it is that they should come back to your channel and check you out? And another thing is that you should have a call to action. Why should they subscribe to your channel? What should they do next after watching this trailer video? Give them a few videos, point them in the direction of some binge-worthy content that can get them sticking around on your channel. Remember, trailer video, the goal behind the whole thing is to start the relationship on the right foot. Give them a reason to want to stick around, have that second and third date with you by, i.e. watching more of your videos. Obviously, you would like for them to subscribe to your channel so they can stick around longer, but if you're not going to ask for that in your YouTube trailer video, then when are you going to ask it? It's a great opportunity to do so.